talk about how to load the Greenplum pglog file into a database table so that we can use that information to analyze the database usage and also look further into the history part of the database. So first we are going to check which pglog file can we use. So we go to the master log and pglog data directory. Then we can just take up one file and copy this file to another location. And now I just rename this file to load1.csv. Okay, so now we have a new file saved at /temp directory. Okay, it's there. Then we're going to create an external table. When we create an external table, we can use GPFDist protocol and other protocols to load the data. But here I just use the execute ecat. It will directly read the file from the master. This is the most convenient way. And also, when we use the execute way to create a table, it should be a web table. For the GPFDist protocol, you can create an external table and it will work. So for now, let me just create the table. You can create a table at any database. So the table has been created. Now let's check how many records inside this table. And this is an external table. And once we created this, we need to create a real, like a heap table to save the data. Once we load the data into the heap table, then the real data is stored on each segment. Then that will make the read time much faster. Let's opening the time. So this only take 81 microseconds. Then we check from the external table. So the runtime is about 300 microseconds. So you can see the runtime is quite different. So we already have this loaded the data into the external table and also the real user table. Let's check the table structure. So there are different columns. Let's check one of them. So we can see this is exactly the information inside the pglog, the query runtime, the username, the database, and those PID, the thread ID, also the host name, and most importantly, the query information. So for the query information, normally it's saved in the log message column. So this one is different. Then let's try log detail. So this is a detail of the query message. And also from Greenplum side, it has provided a few functions for you to directly read from the pglogs. But this will read from all the log file, so that will take some time to run it. And we can see there are 4 kind of views. I have listed the usage for each of the views there. And for this one, this is the most complete one. It will show you all the details from the pglog. For the other views, it will just show part of the information. So it's still running. Okay, so once the query completed, we can see it's just showing the part of the information. For this this view, this is just showing the query runtime. So it's mainly about when did the query run and how long did it take, and duration time max. This should be the query ended time. So I don't have a detail for now, but this is another way to access a log file. So we can use this way also to check the detail, like in the database way, and then we can also run some query to process the data and find the information we need. So that's all for today, and thank you. Bye for now.